My name is Roman and this is Radio King. We supply and feed premium Android radios to almost any cars, and we can do it all around Ireland. We are professionals with over 6 years of experience, and we can install the radio to almost any car. We can install premium speakers and subwoofers. We do dash camera recorders with the parking surveillance mode, and we also do reverse cameras. Our location is Dublin 11 at Rosemount Business Park. Just write down Radio King on Google Maps and you're gonna find us.